Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people ask me how to cancel free trial on Go High level. I will show you the fastest way to do that. This video will be very quick, so hope you watch to the end of the videos. Okay, this is the Go High level homepage. You go to the setting option right here. This one is your account information and you need to go to billing section. You can see here currently I'm on the Pro trial plan with $497 per month. And now I want to cancel this free trial or cancel the subscription. You need to go to modify and cancel subscription right here. You see here you have two options here: upgrade your current plan or try extension. You need to click show more, and I still want to cancel my subscription. You click this one. Now you need the reason you want to cancel this plan. Now click next. I still want to cancel. Next is this one. I'm sure I want to cancel. Okay, now you can submit. Now you can enter your password and click cancel subscription. When you cancel your subscription, you will no longer access to the account. Data will be removed. That's all my videos. If my videos are helpful, please give me a like and subscribe. Drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.